Hey guys, so today we'll be playing Bee Swarm Simulator. I haven't played this game in a very long time because I used to play this game very much. So yeah, here goes nothing. And I think today's my last day of holidays, which is pretty sad because then I have school. Let's just play. Wait, I have very many quests. Oh, yo, did you see that? Nah, I got so many. Let's see. I have way too many quests. Dapper's bears, and black bears. 10,000. Okay. We can do that. Just gonna fly back to our hive. I forgot what we have to do. I think it's this. And then, is that correct? Oh yeah, we did. That is correct. Okay, let's go. Now we can go. Collect 25 honey tokens. Collect 5 tokens from leaves. Okay, yeah, we can do that. That shouldn't be that hard. Hold up. What's in the HQ? No. Let's see. Oh yeah, the scythe. The scythe is 7 pollen from 1 line. Yeah, I'm actually using the golden rake, but I don't really need the red scythe. I haven't played like this game for a long time. Okay, we have no, so yeah. Here, any leaves? Because we need leaves. Oh, these spiky ones. This is my rarest bee ever. It's a shiny fuzzy bee. As you see, which is actually Tabby love. I use Tabby. Tabby is very good. It's okay. I've got some honey. Did we complete the 25? Yes. I think I'm gonna have to go up. At the up. It's not this way. Yes, it's this way. What's in here? Wait a second. What's in my inventory? Do I have any eggs? No, but I have a star jelly. Crimson bee, royal jelly. Oh. By a year, grants 500 bond and has a chance to turn a bee gifted. Oh. 1%. Oh, okay. I'm gonna keep those. Very old tropical drink. Okay, let's go. Cause I need to grind. Let's put this away. And yeah, this is a very good place to grind. Put this here. Or hold up. When is my chicken? 1 hour. Okay, so I need to go to this one. To see what I need to get the next one. Oh yeah. Oh, this one. Earn 10 ace badges. Okay. Don't know what aces are. Oh, it's basically. I understand. Okay, so let's grind now. Yeah. I didn't it's pretty weird that it's still winter. I don't know why. The golden rake's pretty good. Yes. This is grinding. This is called grinding. I think Bee Swarm is one of the hardest games. Oh, most. Wait, is this good? Collects all pollen from the 3 tallest nearby flowers in 0.5 seconds and increases it by 12. Ooh, that's pretty good. Wait, do I have this? I have this, but I don't have this. I need spikes. But I want to get the porcelain. But it's so much. Damn. Sheesh, bro. Oh, what the? Oh, wait. There's the golden. I can do something with this one. I can drop some gum. Gum, gum, gum. Oh, that one's done. Hold up, wait. Oh, yes. What's in the choose a mythic egg? Oh, I can't get that. Real winter wonder how. Oh wait, that could actually, I could buy that. That could be pretty good. Gifted diamond, 1 gifted diamond bee egg. Ooh, pretty cool. Wait, but I wanted to choose a mythic of my choice. Oh, wait, that's very. Then that's like very, very good. Like very, 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 very good. Okay, but like it's 800 Robux. Oh, yes, I got it. Yes, sir. Alright. So put some gum here. Oh, pollen container full. Right. Alright, let's do this. Where is mine? Here. This hive skin is from like last year, I think. Yeah, definitely last year. Open cup console. Yeah, I wanna see. So the royal jelly. Completing 300. To the top 50 daily top stick books. Unbelievably rare. Noob. The cup buddy launch pack. Oh yeah, I didn't get that. Boomy cup. Bee bears march. Oh, describe it. Yes, sir. I understand that. I wanna end the video. I wanna do the ant thing. I wanna do the ant thing. So like, let's do this. Okay. Trying sprinkler. Let's go. Yes, sir. One number uno. Yeah, spikes. Good. Okay, round 3. Okay, this one's attack. So I put a stick. Oh, a stick. Gum. Oh no, it's there. It's there. I'm almost dead. Oh man. actually critical chance, plus two player move speed, 12%. Oh wait, this is actually pretty good. You know what? I'm gonna keep. Ooh. I'm gonna keep a new one. Alright, so I'm gonna have to end it here. I know this was like very short, but yeah, I'm gonna have to end it here, so see you next